Yo. Hey. Sigma, Sigma. No, it's right here. Oh, dog, bro. We got some kidded people, Enzo. Dog, you always take the... We're ways away from you, so I don't know how. Oh, probably. Cap. AI. How can you see us behind the pillar? Because I can't even see your head. How does blood see us? Got a magnum. Oh, you have a thermos? Thermos. Oh god, who's even shooting me? So, hold on, where is he? Where's his punk? It's got you. Trying to roll up on my gang? Got him. No. I'm just not trusting it right now. I can't help when I'm inside. Alright, I'm moving up the stairs to go to reception desk. Is there a bomb? I don't know. Okay, no purple at reception. That's the one thing I can never do is get key cards from their spawn points. That's mostly where I find it. I hardly ever find it in conference. Are you in conference? Are you in conference? I'm in conference. Got him. AI. I don't even know where to look for the new spawns. Yes, I can. Cause I got him. Cause he was pressing me. From where? Well, from where? Oh, sure, kill him. Get him then. Church. Okay. All right. I'm pushing. I'm making my way over there. Alright, I'm coming. Did you die? Who killed you? Where were they? Yeah, I know, but where are they now? I don't see them. Where? Okay, I hear him now. Moving stairs, pushing stairs! Let's move it! Move it, move it, move it! Stop what? Got one of them. I'm dead. I got one of them. I don't know. It was another. I think it was a third party. I'm not sure because I got one. One was all the way down. I'm not sure though. Okay, hold up.
Please do not forget to store your armor and gear in the appropriate areas. Bunkers are no longer considered secure.
What the? I'm trying to. I'm literally trying to. Literally all it's showing me right now is. No, what it was doing was just saying remove favorite, add favorite. That's all it was saying. Add favorite or remove as friend. So I'm restarting. Ugh. So you want to go even more kidded this time? Because I feel like y'all don't really go kidded. It was only me, you know. I'll bring in an MP7 if you want to do what's it called, Maka.
Please do not forget to
Check
store
my
your armor
underwear.
here in the appropriate areas.
Well, if we want to do Maka, so then we can. You declined my party invite. Well, if you want to do what's it called? Yeah, I'm down to do an MP7. That's fine. I need to find. That's AS. By accidente. No, it was my game glitched. Yeah, we're gonna do a Maka. We're gonna do a Maka. We're on this tier 6. We'll run a riot helmet. Let's grab us this AK-5C. That's fine. I have people. You little gremlin. Okay, the only thing we're doing is we're just gonna take. The only thing though is we're gonna take off the suppressor. Come on, let me take off. Nah. I have suppressors, but. Oh my god! Let me screw it off. Let me take it off. Let me screw it off. Oh my god! It just. I hate twist. Oh my god, I hate the twist. I hate the twist. Praise the Lord. I mean, it's nice to... 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all we need is a mag now. Let's just go look at my kiosk. I will. I need a bag too. So. Alright, let's grab. Is this a med? No, it's not a viable med. God dang it. Okay, hold on. Let's take. Okay, we're gonna need meds, so I'm gonna have to come back to that. Is that a med? I do remember your med bag. Nice. Okay, and then I'm just gonna need some energies, which I have, so. Okay, let me just swap to a bag real quick. I don't want to take in. I cannot be that broke. No shot. Guys, do I sell the Ranger's Handbook? So, I mean, I don't really need. I have a junk item. No. I have this. I actually did not need stuff. It's okay. That's fine, because I'm still. Yeah, you did. I'm still doing, my thing right now. Okay, so we come over. Yeah, sometimes it just be like that. Okay, adventure bag. Okay, we need 1, 2, 3. Alright, 2 bandies. Put this Ragnar back. I can't believe all my Ragnars I've gotten this wipe. I can't believe all my Ragnars I got in this wipe is from players, except for one. No, 2 of them are for players. 2 people. Oh, okay. Let me just kick you from the. One I found off the street. I did. Okay, it's already on Maka. I'm ready. Okay, now I just need. Hold up. I need to grab my. Somebody grab some flashbangs, grab a couple flashbangs. Alright, good, that'll work. Just in case, you never know. I always find flashbangs in clutch times. Alright, how many energy drinks is good? gonna grab 3, just in case. 3. Yeah, I know you did. Yeah, you.